In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make money in 2019 the easy way, the same way that is literally allowing me to earn over $2,000 in a single day.
Yeah.
Weezy out of here.
What's going on, Wolves? Eric Ellis Jr. here, back at it again with another video. If this is your first time coming across your boy, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications button to get notified every time I drop a new piece of heat. Now, this may be on YouTube, this may be in my Facebook group, this may be on my email list. Doesn't matter, you guys are all a part of the family, # Team Wolf, Wolves Entourage. So in this video, the reason why I'm creating this video is because a lot of people have been asking me, what have I been doing to generate an income lately? And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys literally the simple system and setup that you guys can literally duplicate some of the results. So first and foremost, let's go ahead and show you guys some proof. Boom, behind the laptop. Now, if you look here, let me go ahead and refresh my Stripe account. The first important thing to realize is that the view test data. So view test data is not on me, and this is a live Stripe account. And that's 2,200. Yesterday we had a slower day, $0, but today we made $2,200. The reason why it's kind of sporadic is because it's high ticket affiliate marketing, right? So you can make in a day what some people make in a month. Now, just to prove that this is real, we're gonna go ahead and look at the time and date today. It's 11:46 a.m. Saturday, January 26th. And if we look here, whatever, it's not showing the date, but it's the 26th. So with that being said, $2,200 in one single day. Now, let's go ahead and show you guys the simple setup that I'm using to make this. Now, I know this is ugly looking, but this is literally as simple as it is, right? So what I'm leveraging is a system, right? A 90% done for you system. Now, what I mean by done for you, right, is they're gonna go ahead and give you all the materials that you need to literally make money online, right? Now, basically, once you get access to the system, all you have to do is figure out which level you want to go ahead and actually invest into, which will allow you to actually earn a reseller's license, meaning whatever you buy into, if I buy a $500 package, I'm going to be licensed to sell that, right? I'm going to be able to resell that package to other people at 100% commission payout. So what happens is that $2,000 a day was the $2,000 commission. I'm licensed to sell it because I bought into it. Now, once I'm leveraged at my income earning potential with this current this setup, right, then I just simply have to go ahead and connect it to the system, right, which is basically called a sales funnel. Now, what a sales funnel is literally an automated process that allows you to automate your sales process, right? So it's like a little website. So what this system is going to do, would you guys click down below, either the first link in the description, or there's going to be a link above here, there's going to be a button below. Somewhere else, there's going to be a call to action to where you guys can actually get access to the system, right? But once you get access to the system, 90% of the work is going to be done for you, right? It's going to have the sales materials. It's going to go ahead and have somebody doing all the selling for you. There's going to be a video who does literally everything for you. There's only two things that we have to focus on, right? The first one is we need to figure out how to get people to this system, right? So basically, traffic, right? We need to learn how to do traffic, right? And if you're a part of my team, Team Wolf, that's what I'm going to go and teach you how to do. I'm going to teach you how to get people to the system, right? And not only get people to the system, get targeted people who are literally looking to buy this specific product, right? People who want to learn or people who would actually benefit from it. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to get those people, right? Whether it's Facebook ads or whether it's other type of ads or other type of promotional materials, we're going to get those people to the system. The system literally is going to do all the work for us. It's going to do all the selling. It's going to do everything to convert those people into a trial, right? Now, here's what happens. A portion of those people are going to go ahead and actually buy up front. So that's what I call the break even, right? So break even. Basically, the break even is if we're doing paid advertisement and we're sending people to the system, let's just say I spend $1,000 in ads and I make $1,000, right? That's called breaking even. The next step is for those people who did not actually buy, AKA the prospect, they're a prospective buyer. They're inquiring, they were looking into it. The next step is actually following up with these prospects with email marketing, right? Literally sending simple emails. You can literally send an email that takes you 3 minutes. Takes you 3 minutes of your time. Imagine just sending an email per day, sending 3 minutes of your time per day, and able to make $2,000 days, right? So all we're gonna be doing is following up with these people. Simply 3 types of content that we're gonna be following up. We're gonna be following up with results, right? This is an example of results. If you're in my email list and you're seeing this is a results post. We're gonna be sending value, right? Which is basically, this is value as well. I'm teaching you some sort of value. And the last but not least, we're gonna be sending pitch emails. Literally just saying, look, this is how this is gonna benefit you and you need to buy it, right? So we're gonna be sending those type of emails to these prospective buyers to convert those people into sales. And what's gonna happen is, if they don't buy immediately the first time they go through your sales system, AKA your sales funnel, then on the back end, when we start to follow up with them, they're gonna mature into sales. So literally, if you do the math here, right? Let's just say we spend 3 to 10 minutes per day simply sending emails, and then we find a traffic source that works for us to where we're not even spending a lot of time. Imagine spending 4 hours per week on a business that generates $1,000 to $2,000 paydays. Even if you were to just get $1,000 payday per week, that's an extra $4,000 a month. That's an extra $50,000 per year. How awesome would that be for your business? Or not your business, for your life, right? That'll allow you to quit your job, most people. So with that being said, if you guys want parts of this, right, there's gonna be a link above if you're in my Facebook group. There's gonna be a button down below if you're on my email list, and there's gonna be a link down below if you guys are watching this on YouTube. So with that being said, take action. I anticipate that you guys go all in, because the higher you invest, you're able to resell that product and generate a commission, 100% commission. So take action, click somewhere on here and duplicate these results. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, and I can't wait to see you guys on the next video. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.